Well, as we've got another aerospace engineer and obviously quite knowledgeable about how things fly, we're going to test your engineering skills. Do you think you're up for the challenge of our paper plane challenge?
We'll see. We'll see.
Excellent. So, Jack, why don't you make your way over to our experts area and we'll get 60 seconds on the clock. Remember, you can use all the materials you have over there as long as it's an A4 piece of paper, but you can use pens and you can't use any paper clips or blue tack or anything like that.
All of this stuff, yeah?
But if you want to add decoration, you can certainly go to it. So I've got the coat on again. I'm ready to go. I've got my stopwatch at the ready. Let me just clear all that up. Got my whistle. I've got my measurer. And hopefully you're ready. So you've got to.
And we can use all the things on here.
You can use anything on there as long as it's just a piece of A4 paper.
Okay, brilliant.
Okay, but you can colour in. You can colour in.
I've used colours.
Yeah, there's colouring pens over there if you get time. So here we go. In the studio, let's count in. If I can get, let's count Jack in. Here we go. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go. Oh, that didn't go so well, did it? My peas stopped rattling. Right. You're going for one of these little dart ones here. So we're currently at 10 seconds there. You've only got 60. You don't look very rushed at this. Have you been practicing as well?
I have not been practicing,
okay,
but I'm going with the
now,
classic,
Sophie's
style.
distance, by the way, is 1.43 m. Are you confident?
That's how they usually end up when I do it in my
Just
nieces.
there, look, just there. So you've got 30 seconds left, 30 seconds left. You've gone for the full dart system here, haven't you?
The full dart.
The full dart. This is going to be fantastic. 20 seconds on my clock coming. 20 seconds left. So this is Mr. World. He should be able to do quite a good throw, I would have thought. But yeah.
It's not even.
I mean, you know. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop building. Right, let's have a look. That's a darty dart kind of thing, right? Well, if you bring your effort round through over to the white line here.
Let's see.
That was Sophie there.
That's what usually happens. They usually end up about.
Yeah, I mean, so you can do a run up, and we've explained this. So you can run up as long as your feet.
Do you think the run up would help?
I have no idea. I mean, this is just the rules. But if you run up, you can't put your foot over and then throw because that would be a DNF, did not fly, and that's not what Mr. World wants.
We don't want that.
All right, then. So are we ready, guys? Let's count him in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that is pretty. That's exceptional. Well done, mate. That's brilliant.
Cheers, Mark.
So that has gone a long way. I think we need to roll. Well, let's get the measurer going. Okay, here we go now. I think Sophie's might be in the way. We're going to have to come over this side a bit here. So Sophie's is blocking the tape measure. Here we go. So, it's a long way. It's quite 6.756 meters.
I'm happy.
That is brilliant. Well, Mr. World knocked it out the universe there. Little joke for you. Right, let's get a tag. I'm glad there's people at the back laughing. That's brilliant. So we're going to put Jack, Mr. World, obviously. Here we go. And we're going with a 6 meters, 75.6. I mean, that's incredible. Right, so it's the first one who's having to slide down already. Sorry. I think we might put Sophie down here. Sorry. Could get in trouble for that, but we'll leave Sophie down there and we'll put Jack up here. Well, that's fantastic. Well, what a great flight. I mean, did you do anything different than a normal dart there? Had you been practicing something special? How did you get that to go that far?
I was going to explain what I was doing as I was designing it, but I thought if I was to throw it and it was to just dive and go backwards, it wouldn't really help. I went for a dihedral wing design, which means that the wings are pointing slightly down. So if you just tilt your wings a little bit down, it'll help it go straight
Was that
down.
in the fold then? You put them down a little bit?
It's all in the fold, Mark.
Oh,
it's
wow.
all in the fold. So you want your wings just to be going slightly down like that.
Yeah. Brilliant. Well, it certainly works. So you're currently first on the leaderboard with Sophie Harker in second place, and we've moved her down a little bit just to make room, really. But who will finish as the Engineering Open House Day winner? And remember to get yourselves up here on our leaderboard too with our engineering experts. All you need to do is to send in your video on social media using the hashtag Engineering Open House Day paper plane, and you could be in with a chance of winning a really cool STEM prize. Terms and conditions apply, so please head to our website before you join in. But thank you so much for joining us, Jack. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Big round of applause. He's an incredible guy, big difference maker in the STEM world. So we're delighted to be featuring Jack in our groundbreaking movement Difference Makers campaigns later in the year. So watch this space. And I'm just loving this challenge of the paper planes. And to be honest, I will be having a go later. I haven't been practicing, so this is, I mean, Sophie's won't be at the end.